Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you an amazing tactical flashlight from Skyfire. The Skyfire 3000 lumen tactical flashlight is zoomable and IPX6 waterproof. Comes in several colors, includes a 5000 milliamp rechargeable battery. The flashlight can also be used as a power bank, includes a patented fire starting focus lens, and lasts up to 38 hours on low mode. And there it is. Isn't she a beauty? Skyfire reached out to me and asked me if I'd be willing to give my honest opinion of this flashlight. Guys, of course, you know I'm going to say yes because I'm a gear hog. I love gear. And if I can go through these things and test them out and let you guys know whether they're worth purchasing or not, I always will do that. When you get the flashlight, of course, it's going to come in this rocking box. Matter of fact, this is what I'm keeping the flashlight in and storing it. I think this box is, this box itself told me that I might be really impressed by what's inside of it. But also inside the box, you can have your charging cable, all your instructions. They're all in here. You're going to have, of course, the flashlight. You're going to have a really nice velvet carry bag, I would say. Yeah, it is velvet velour with a cinch top. I will keep it stored in this when I'm not using it, but I'm still debating whether I keep it long storage in the box or I keep it in the truck. I haven't decided yet. But the main selling point of this flashlight and several of their flashlights, guys, I want you to be aware, it has a detachable magnifying lens. And that is an option almost all other flashlights do not have. And here's the flashlight up close, guys. I want to show it to you. Of course, you'll see overlays as well. Telescoping light, easy to adjust. It's very smooth. The alloy feels really good in hand. It does feel like a quality product. There's your power button with your LED light ups. That'll tell you how fully charged it is. It does not tell you what level you are. You'll have to know that optically by seeing it, but it will tell you when you press what your power level is. Okay. And directly, guys, on the other side of where your power button is, you're going to have your charging port. You're going to have your little rubber grommet cover. And inside, you're going to have your regular USB and your USB-C charging. One thing I do love about this flashlight is it can also act as a portable power bank. So if you're out somewheres, I pushed the button. So if you're out someplace and you want to charge your phone, all of a sudden you're out, you look at your phone, it's blinking, you got the flashlight on, you can actually use the flashlight and charge your whatever you need to. But of course, most times you're going to put this down and use it to power whatever you need. That is a good accessory because most flashlights don't do that. Even tactical ones, they just charge. They don't also act as a power bank. And another thing I like about this flashlight is because it is rechargeable, you might think, it's got an inside battery, it's going to die in time, no matter how long I have it. And once that's going, I'll have to replace the flashlight. No, you don't. Unscrew the bottom. And here is a very large, which I think is a very proprietary battery, 5000 milliamp battery that goes inside. I love this battery. It is a huge, matter of fact, it's most of the weight of the flashlight, but you know, what can we do about that right now? And then, of course, guys, when you put the battery back in, you're just going to push hard, turn, screw it back on, and you're good to go. Comes with a nice lanyard already attached. I do like the lanyard. I just think that's a great feature to have. A battery inside that is rechargeable, that is replaceable, and also that you can charge other electronics if you need to be when you're out in the wild. It is a great tactical flashlight for the money, and let me tell you, it is extremely bright. You turn the flashlight on the power button, you're going to have 4 settings, okay? It's going to go on high, medium, low, off. And if you long press the power button, you're going to get a strobe mode, okay? Those are the basic modes you're going to have to go with this flashlight. The power and light beam that this throws off is truly impressive. I took this out on my last camping trip, used it all night. It was amazing how bright it was in a dark set of woods and how much it illuminated. But one thing I also loved, I have telescoping flashlights, not this powerful. And when you telescope them all the way out, when it's all the way out and you got a narrow beam far away, it doesn't look like a flashlight beam. You're actually seeing like the LED shape on whatever it is. This one, you see a clear circle, bright light, which I liked a lot because it was really easy to see. It wasn't casting any shadows on anything. I was just seeing the light. I have some that are like a crisscross that if you're going through like the woods at night, it's going to cast false shadows. I do like the fact that it does that. Also, I want you guys to be aware, a tactical flashlight like this can run a lot more money by a lot of other companies. I'm not saying those companies aren't reputable or the products aren't good. I'm not saying that because I haven't tested them. I don't know anything about it. I go by mostly by reviews like most of you guys do. But this doesn't cost the amount of what those cost. This comes at a very nice and affordable price point. And also, this gives you an amazing feature that they do not. And what is that amazing feature, you're asking? Of course, I showed it to you earlier. It's this attachable, and of course detachable, magnifying lens. Now with this, it screws directly onto the flashlight, okay? It's going to affect your beam big time. But what that does is give you the capability of having it start fires. And yes, it does work. I didn't get to use it on the night I went camping. Okay, well, I wasn't in the mood of that. I just wanted to test all of its light features out and how bright it was and the telescoping features and what I could see. I came at home, sat down outside and tested it to start a fire. And guys, it worked. And I did it twice. And don't forget, if you're out someplace, you're a little older like me, the point where, guys, we need readers. You guys know what I mean. It actually gives you a portable magnifying glass. And of course, you can take this off the flashlight and just use the sun to light your fires. I just think that's a great feature to have. But remember, this will give you the opportunity to start a fire when you don't have any other means and you don't have the sun above you. You have your flashlight and the power it offers to start a fire when you need one. So there you go. All the features, guys, I wanted to show you about the Skyfire flashlight. What I want you to be aware of, it is a tactical flashlight. So you're going to say, Mike, what are the cons? The cons is it's a big flashlight. On my scale, it weighs close to 13 ounces and it's just over 8 inches by 2 inches. So it is a beefy flashlight. That's, I guess you could say, the con of it. But if you want a good tactical flashlight, you want this type of flashlight, you want this type of dependability. And of course, guys, I forgot to mention it's waterproof. And that's just another great feature to have on a tactical flashlight where you might be using this out in any kind of weather. But like I said, my personal biggest con of this is I don't know whether to put it in my truck or keep it for home use or emergency use. So there you go, guys. That's my review of this amazing tactical flashlight by Skyfire. If you're looking for something in this market or something in the tactical version, I would highly recommend giving this a try. Guys, I don't think you're going to regret it at all. As always, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm out for now. Bye, guys.